naglalakad kami from SM to Robinson Mall because in SM we just had our lunch, but then we're supposed to watch the movie at SM, but the movie showing there is all Tagalog. So my husband said now there is no movie here, it's all Tagalog. That's why we transfer here at Robinson, because here it's the movie that we wanted to watch, it's available. So yun guys, kaya kami nandito sa isang mall, kabilang mall. Yeah, we just had a Pizza Hut for our lunch, their grand opening. Hi Kuya, hello. Say hi to the vlog. We're going to take our rest because we're gonna be right now?
I'm saying when I was the reason the prostate you can't afford to pee.
No, if you so meaning, because if you pee a lot, there's a problem that you had a problem of prostate.
You don't pee a lot, yeah.
No, if you pee a lot, that's
it makes it first with a prostate. It'll slow down your peeing if you have your prostate problem.
It's just because of your prostate. We're here na at the movie. I am by myself. Our Art is waiting for me at the Starbucks because I need to get his medicine, guys, at the at the parking area. I need to go back to the parking area to get his medicine.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nag-share ng kanilang blessings. May God bless you more.
We already got our ticket, guys, for the movie. We're gonna be watching Deadpool. We're gonna be watching Deadpool. Their movie, their ticket was 325 each. It's a regular ticket. I'm outside the mall. There's a lot of motorcycle over there. Yeah, that's a parking motorcycle. So, where did we park?
kaya dali na lang sa loob. Walang pananagutan ng management sa pagkasira o pagkawala ng ating mga gamit. Maraming salamat po. Welcome to Robinson's Place, Tuigaraw.
Bye for now, guys. I'm gonna get some medicine.
Sa iyo po, pag-ipapo ng maayos ang ating mga motorsiklo. Huwag po natin
Going back to our It's cloudy. I have to get milk tea. I'm gonna bring milk tea inside the cinema because that's a 2 hours. Guys, we're done. We're done watching
Wolverine and
Deadpool.
Deadpool and Wolverine. Yeah, which one? Okay.
It's a combination.
Yeah.
We're done. So we're done, we're done, we're done. So now we're going to looking for the bathroom. That's a prom. We're back. We're at Chowking, guys. Waiting for our order. We have to eat dinner first before we go home. I will go back to the hotel. And my husband is already love this one, takoyaki. He already love the takoyaki taste. Eat first. So
This one's crab.
yeah, crab.
The one I had yesterday was octopus.
Yeah, octopus. Yesterday, the one that you tried, octopus. The first thing that you like on this one is because it's a newly baked, newly cooked. So at least when they serve it, it's hot. So that's and the sauce. You like the sauce?
I like the sauce. Well, yesterday, mine had the one I had yesterday, octopus. This one's crab.
Yeah.
And they have a
We're gonna have our dinner first.
give that 10 thumbs up. That's good. 10 fingers.
Maybe.
Got 10 thumbs. Yeah.
Maybe we can end the vlog here. This is for today. Or when we get to the hotel.
It's up to you. You're the boss.
Okay guys, so ito muna kami ng dinner.
She's the boss. She's the boss.
But yeah, he is the big boss. So still, he is the primary boss. Okay guys, ito na yung order ko. I'm gonna get my order.
That's right.
We're going home. We're going to the hotel. We're going back to the hotel. And my husband pulling. he keep pulling his jeans, guys, because I didn't bring his belt. And right now he feels like, oh, I lost weight. Why my jeans is already loosened? Here. Oh. I'm carrying a heavy stuff because we have some drinks. Hi guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. So, it's raining outside right now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know. We just made it back in time then.
No. Yun lang yung ganap namin today. We just had a simple celebration for our anniversary. We just have lunch, dinner, and of course movie time together.
Yeah.
We just watch Deadpool and Wolverine.
Yeah.
Actually, we just have our movie when we were in Manila, but this is the first time that we tried.
It's been a year.
Yeah, this is the first time that we tried watching movie here.
Yeah.
In Cagayan, or in Tuguegarao. So yun guys, end na namin yung vlog. Hope you like the video. Peace.
Love and happiness.
Love and happiness.
Okay.
We both.
Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.